Yo kids, I am DJ Flowchart and I am here today to talk about, you guessed it, flowcharts. So like all good things, let's start at the beginning. What is a flowchart? A flowchart is a visual diagram made up of boxes and arrows going in various directions. Flowcharts are used to represent a variety of common items. Flowcharts often represent algorithms, a step-by-step list of directions or instructions that need to be followed to solve a problem. Algorithms also represent processes, a series of different stages in time where the last stage is the product, result, or goal. And flowchart can also represent the planned stages of a project. Flowcharts are used in common software programs and games. Flowcharts help designers or programmers decide how a game will work, how a character will act, and how the game can be won or lost. A flowchart uses specific elements that are universal. That is, the same symbols are used for all flowcharts so that programmers and designers from all industries can understand them and follow the directions accurately. Here are some common shapes used in flowcharts. Each represents a different action. Next, we will look at the common elements of a flowchart using an everyday example I am sure you are all familiar with, making a Vegemite sandwich. You may think to yourself, making a Vegemite sandwich doesn't need a flowchart, but in essence, making a Vegemite sandwich is just like an algorithm. It is a set of instructions and/or directions that need to be followed accurately to solve a problem, and the steps can be displayed in a flowchart. The Terminator symbol represents the start or end point of the system. A process box is represented as a rectangle. This shape shows that a various action will be performed. A flow line is an arrow that shows the direction that the flowchart will follow. A decision box is represented as a rhombus, showing when and where a decision is necessary. This is commonly accompanied with a yes-no question or true-false test. Each flow line that comes out of a decision box usually shows a yes-no or true-false response. An input-output box is represented as a parallelogram. This box involves receiving data and displaying process data. The input-output box can only move from input to output and cannot be done the other way around. As you can see, flowcharts can be simple or they can be complex, depending on what you are trying to achieve. Simple flowcharts are used in everyday life and often are done in our heads, like when making a sandwich or when deciding what to wear to school. Complex flowcharts are used when designing a game, software program, or when streamlining business processes and procedures. It is important to use the right symbols when creating flowcharts to ensure you represent the problem solution accurately, to make your computer game work, and your sandwich taste great. For further reading and resources, check out these cool websites to enhance your learning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep on flowing.